With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today's question is given ai square plus bi square plus ci square is equal to 1 when I is 1, 2, 3 and aiaj plus bibj plus cicj equal to 0 when I is not equal to j and I comma j can be 1, 2 and 3. Then the value for the determinant this a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3 and c1, c2, c3 is. And we are having these four options. Okay, so basically we are given some conditions here and we have to tell the value of this determinant. Okay, so let's get started. So in the question we are given that ai square plus bi square plus ci square is equal to 1 and we are given that I is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so when I is 1, this will be a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square equal to 0, right? When I is equal to 2, this will be a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square equal to 0. Similarly, if we put I equal to 3, then we will get a3 square plus b3 square plus c3 square equal to 0. Also, we are given that aiaj, so aiaj plus bibj plus cicj is equal to 0 and the condition given here is that I will not be equal to j and I comma j can be 1, 2 and 3. So let us take a vector p. So when we take a vector p, that will be equal to a1i plus b1 j cap plus c1 k cap. Now if we take another vector, let it be q vector, so we get this will be equal to a2i plus b2j plus c2k cap. Okay, so if we take one more vector, let it be r vector. So we are taking r vector, so here we get a3i cap plus b3j cap plus c3k cap. Okay, so now if we find the magnitude for this vector, so that will be equal to p vector magnitude will be equal to under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square. And now if we have a look at this equation, a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square, that is equal to, this is not 0, this is 1. See, here we are given a1 ai square plus bi square plus ci square equal to 1. So this is a mistake, so we are having here 1. So now if we have a look at this equation, we are given what? a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square equal to 1. So instead of this thing, we can write here directly 1 and under root of 1 is nothing but 1 only. Similarly, if I find the magnitude for q vector, so that will be equal to under root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square, and that is also equal to 1, right? So we can write here 1. Also similarly, if we write for r vector, so we will get under root of a3 square plus b3 square plus c3 square equal to 1. Okay, now if we do the dot product of p vector and q vector, so we will get p dot q vector, p vector dot q vector, we will get here, this is a1 I cap plus b1 j cap plus c1 k cap dot a2 I cap plus b2 j cap plus c2 k cap. Okay, so now this will be equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2, and that will be equal to, see, that is equal to 0. This condition was given to us that aiaj plus bibj plus cicj is equal to 0. So this whole thing will become equal to 0. So therefore we can say that p vector is perpendicular with q vector. Similarly, if we do the dot product of q and r, so then also we will get final answer as 0. So from there we will say that directly q vector perpendicular with r vector. Similarly, if we do dot of r dot p vector, so we will get that r vector is perpendicular to p vector. Okay, now we were given one determinant in the question to solve. So the determinant was a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3 and c1, c2, c3. Okay, so this is the determinant given to us. So if we take its transpose will be equal to a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. Row will become column and column will become row, and similarly c1, c2, c3. Right, now if we look here carefully, this whole row is nothing but our vector, which is p vector. Right, so here we can write this row is equal to p vector. Similarly, this row is equal to q vector and this row is equal to r vector, their cross, their product. Okay, so this is the determinant given to us. This we can write here. So this determinant is equal to p vector, q vector, r vector, and we have already seen that the magnitude of p vector, q vector and r vector individually is 1. So if we write determinant of these three all together, then also the value will be nothing but 1 only. Okay, so this is the value for this determinant. Let us check the options. So option number 4 is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.